Avoiding common financial mistakes involves adopting a combination of good habits, strategic planning, and continuous education. Here are detailed steps to help you steer clear of frequent financial pitfalls. 1. Create and follow a budget. Detail income and expenses. Track all sources of income and categorize expenses: fixed, variable, discretionary. Use tools, utilize budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor spending. Adjust as necessary, regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in income or expenses. 2. Build an emergency fund. Start small, aim to save at least $500 to $1,000 initially. 3-6 months of expenses. Ultimately, save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Automatic savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to build this fund consistently. 3. Avoid high-interest debt. Limit credit card use. Use credit cards responsibly and pay off the balance each month to avoid interest charges. Understand loan terms. When taking out loans, understand the interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Debt avalanche or snowball. Use these methods to pay down existing debt strategically. 4. Save and invest for the future. Retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs, especially if your employer offers a match. Diversify investments. Spread investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. Regular contributions. Invest regularly, even if the amounts are small, to take advantage of compound interest. 5. Live within your means. Evaluate purchases, distinguish between wants and needs, and avoid impulse buying. Frugal living. Find ways to reduce expenses, such as cooking at home or using public transportation. 6. Insurance protection. Adequate coverage. Ensure you have health, auto, home, and life insurance as appropriate. Review policies. Regularly review insurance policies to ensure they still meet your needs and are cost-effective. 7. Plan for major purchases. Save in advance. Set aside money for major expenses like a home, car, or vacation, rather than financing them with high-interest debt. Shop around. Compare prices and terms from different vendors or lenders to get the best deal. 8. Educate yourself. Financial literacy. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance through books, courses, or financial advisors. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news and trends that might impact your financial situation. 9. Tax planning. Understand deductions and credits. Take advantage of tax deductions and credits to reduce your taxable income. Hire a professional. If your tax situation is complex, consider hiring a tax professional to maximize your savings and ensure compliance. 10. Regular financial reviews. Annual check UPS. Review your financial goals, budget, and investments annually. Adjust goals. Adjust your financial plan as your circumstances and goals change. 11. Avoid financial scams. Stay skeptical. Be wary of too-good-to-be-true offers or high-pressure sales tactics. Verify sources. Verify the legitimacy of financial advisors, investment opportunities, and businesses before committing money. 12. Estate planning. Create a will. Ensure you have a will and keep it updated. Assign beneficiaries. Designate beneficiaries for retirement accounts and insurance policies. Plan for taxes. Understand the tax implications of your estate and plan accordingly. 13. Seek professional advice. Financial advisors. Consider working with a certified financial planner for personalized advice. Legal advice. Consult with attorneys for matters like estate planning and complex financial agreements. By following these detailed steps, you can avoid common financial mistakes and build a more secure and prosperous financial future.